In this e-learning session, we're going to show you how to use the procedure form holder. Two situations, the single horse data entry and multiple horse data entry. Let's go to Wise Option, the program, and let's open the form for the procedure entry, the Windows procedures form. Here's the form where you can enter procedures. What happens is every time you hit the Save button, this form goes away. That might become a little annoying when you have several procedures to enter at one time. So what we're going to do here, we're going to activate the form holder under Tools. It's the very first option, and we activate that tool. So we're going to grab any horse here, any procedure. I'm not paying attention to whatever it is at this point, and just want to show you when I save this. Pay attention that all these fields will clean. The form remains on the screen to the same horse. So it would be nice if you'd have the same horse and several tasks to enter, but if it is a different horse, you just move to a different horse and you keep doing your data entry. Whatever it is, and I'm going to save this, and you keep doing. This is for the single horse data entry. Now notice that every time you open the form, by default, the form holder is not active. So you have to activate the form holder function every time you need to use that function. But once the form holder function is activated, it will remain that until you close the form. Now let's show you how to use that for multiple horse data entry. Just showing that it is activated, and it's really cool when you can do something like this. I'm just to give you a tip about something really nice. You select a horse from the list. From that point on, you can move your mouse away and use the arrow keys from your keyboard up and down. And the space bar, in this case, will check the box on or off. So what you do is just using the keyboard, your process selecting horses will be much faster and efficient. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go down to our vaccinations, and I'm going to pretend here that all these horses received that vaccination on a particular day, and I'm going to save this. So one task to 15 horses, and when I hit yes, look what happens. The 15 procedures were added to my system, but the form holder says that as it is still active, the 15 horses remain selected, and I could just change to something else, whatever, and save it over. So again, another 15 procedures, just because I have my form holder active. This way, 15 horses is not a big deal, but if you're working with 60, 70, maybe 100 horses, it's really cumbersome having to select all those 100 horses over and over for each task. You could add reminders if you want to, just select the different things, and you could do this for several tasks. But the secret here is that with the form holder, once you push the Save button, the form remains in your screen for your next entry. So today we learned how to use the procedure form holder for a single horse or a multiple horse data entry.